In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to Shopify without YouTube. If you want full control over your branding and avoid outside ads or suggested videos, adding a video from a source other than YouTube is a great choice. I'll walk you through the exact process and share a few tips to make sure your video looks great and loads quickly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, head to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your active theme. This opens the theme editor where you'll place your video. Choose the page where you want the video to appear, like your homepage or a specific product page. In the left panel, click Add Section and select the video section. If your theme already includes a video section, simply click it to open its settings instead of adding a new one. Inside the video section settings, find the video URL field. If there's a default YouTube link in there, delete it. Now you're ready to paste your own link. You can use a video from Vimeo, TikTok, Dropbox with a direct link, Google Drive with a public direct link, or a video hosted on your own site. If you're using a self-hosted file, make sure it's a direct URL to an MP4 like this example, https:/yourwebsite.com/videos/productdemo.mp4. For cloud storage services, ensure the link is publicly accessible and set as a direct download or streaming link so Shopify can load it properly. Next, tailor the video's appearance to match your brand. Adjust the heading, choose the video size, set a cover image so your section looks polished before playback, and tweak text alignment as needed. A clear cover image can really improve the first impression, especially on mobile. When you're happy with the settings, click Save in the top right corner. Then preview your storefront and confirm the video loads and plays smoothly on both desktop and mobile. This is a good moment to check load time and clarity. For reliable hosting, consider Vimeo, Dropbox, Google Drive, or Shopify Files. If you prefer hosting directly in Shopify, go to Content, then Files, click Upload Files, add your MP4, copy the generated file URL, and paste that URL into your video section. A final tip, using self-hosted or externally hosted videos helps maintain your branding and avoids YouTube-related distractions. To keep your store fast, use a compressed MP4 with a reasonable resolution that still looks crisp. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.